Hi, I'm Katie Riley from Method Integration, and I'm going to show you how using Method Xora Connector eliminates all the tedious double entry involved in transferring times from Xora to QuickBooks. The Method Xora Connector acts as a bridge, so that job and shift times collected on a Xora-enabled mobile phone are pulled from Xora into Method and then pushed from Method into the weekly timesheets in QuickBooks. It doesn't get much easier than that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. On their Xora-enabled mobile phone, employees enter start and stop times for shifts, jobs, lunch breaks, and travel time. This creates a series of time tracking entries for each employee. Here in your Xora account, we can see the time tracking entries for Ron Watson and the exact GPS locations of each time entry, which is great. But typically, to get these times to QuickBooks, we'd have to manually re-enter them for each employee. This can take hours to do. Wouldn't it be great if these times could somehow go from Xora to QuickBooks without all this data entry? This is where the Method Xora Connector comes in. Method will make your life easier and increase the efficiency of your payroll process by taking the Xora times and moving them into QuickBooks. We simply click the Get Xora Time tab link, enter the date range for times that we want to fetch from Xora, check off the employee we want to get time tracking entries for, and click Get Xora Time. Ron's job and shift times have been added to Method, so we click the Step 2 Send to QuickBooks tab link, select the date range of time that we want to send time tracking entries to QuickBooks for, click Refresh, and a list of times appear. You can massage the information at this time to verify the proper QuickBooks items and times are assigned to the correct QuickBooks customer. Now that our data is ready for payroll, we click the Send to QuickBooks button, and the times sync over to QuickBooks in real time. Now when we open up our QuickBooks file, go into the Employee Center, enter time, use Weekly Timesheet, and select Ron Watson over the same date range. Voila! We can see all of Ron Watson's time tracking entries for the selected date range. By using the Method Xora Connector, you can ensure the accuracy of your QuickBooks data and make payroll a much smoother process. The Method Xora Connector is flexible and supports job times, shift times, lunch and travel times, Xora custom statuses, and Xora flex fields. It even lets you set preferences for overtime so that you can reassign time tracking entries to an overtime payroll item in QuickBooks. Another benefit of the Method Xora Connector application is that it is customizable. Because it's built on the Method platform, you can enhance the look and feel by using your own fields, screens, and actions. So, if you want to track something and there isn't a preset field, you can create it yourself. Or, if you want to change the caption of field on the screen, go right ahead. All customization is done using drag and drop tools, so anyone can do it. In terms of pricing, you'll be happy to know that the Method Xora Connector is easy on the pocket, because you only need one license of Method to sync times for an unlimited number of Xora users. So whether you have 3 employees, 10 employees, or 50 employees in the field, you only need one license of Method at an affordable $20 per month. If you're already a Method full-blown edition user, it's free. Just go to your My Account tab in your Method account and add the app. I should also mention that if you require more than just a bridge from Xora to QuickBooks, you can upgrade to a different version of Method. In addition to having Xora Connector functionality, you can enjoy full CRM capabilities and gain access to industry-specific additions such as Method Field Services. These upgraded versions of Method are completely customizable, so if you want to change anything, delete, add, or edit absolutely anything, you can do so. With Method, you can build any application that you desire. Our staff also offers low-cost customization services, so if you want to transfer your Xora data to somewhere in QuickBooks other than time tracking, such as invoices, payments, or purchase orders, our consultants can work with you to build your very own solution. If you would like to learn more about the Method Xora Connector or any Method versions, please visit the Method Application Library on the methodintegration.com website. Here you will find features, pricing, screenshots, and resources for each edition. If you have any further questions, feel free to post them on the community forum, and a Method consultant will assist you. You can also contact a Method consultant directly by calling 1-888-9-ALOCET, that's ALOCET, or emailing sales@methodintegration.com. If you have any inquiries about Xora, please contact them at 877-GPS-XORA. That's GPS XORA. Thanks for watching the Xora Connector movie, and have a great day.